RP Energy, we are thinking of a more sustainable approach para masuportahan yung initiative ng mga organizations around Subic Bay. So it's Protect the Bay. Basically, on Tuesday next week, we will be having a capability building seminar. It's a 2-day capability building seminar. We are planning to equip our MPharmCs, the Coast Guard, the LEDs with the right knowledge on how to handle incidents to protect the bay. For example, yung mga dynamite fishing na nangyayari, yung mga dumping of waste. We will be building a parang core group that will handle all those issues for Subic Bay.
Oh, wow, that's good. That's nice. Protect the bay.
Yes, and it's in partnership with, of course, SBMA PRD together with the Blacksmith Institute, which is an international organization. At the same time, the University of the Philippines.
All right.
And of course, SBMA and the Subic, Olongapo, and Bataan MPharmCs, the integrated MPharmCs around Subic Bay. So hopefully, kung mag-fly itong project na to, by next year, we are hoping to equip them with bantay dagat equipments like the boats, the flashlights, the uniform, and everything. And we will have our annual Taclobo clam seeding. So, for the initial run this year, before the year ends, gusto muna naming maging in place muna yung bantay dagat natin. Ready sila for the equipment for next year.
Wow, that's nice. That's not an easy task, di ba? Safeguarding or protecting the bay of Subic, knowing that medyo malawak tong area na to, no? And yeah, do you guys have something like an official Facebook page for this? Since everybody is into social media nowadays.
As of now, RP Energy doesn't have a Facebook page, but we have our website. It's www.rpenergy.ph. So they can check all of our CSR programs there. And another good news, RP Energy is nominated as one of the best CSR practitioners on the Southeast Asia.
Nice.
So we will be entering the ASEAN conference, ASEAN CSR conference for sustainability. So we're one of the nominees for the best CSR practices.
Wow. Congratulations in advance.
So thank you.
That's nice. All right. So may I ask sa mga listeners natin, can they participate in this thing that you guys are doing? Because you mentioned you will be training people who are like from the Coast Guard and the LED. What about the people from outside that group, like yung mga listeners natin? Can they do something about this kind of thing? Can they participate or in what way, or how?
Yeah. After the training program, we are still planning to have a mangrove seeding. So actually we call it the water forest building. It's for RP Energy kasi it's not just tree planting, it's building forests. So by next year, mga around summer, we will be having our call for volunteers.
That's where
kasi we're planning to establish mangrove forests around Subic Bay. And of course, yung mga divers natin, we are currently cooking a Taclobo clam seeding. So yung mga divers, we will have a call for volunteer divers as well.
That is nice. So okay. So these things that you guys are doing, it's really awesome. Pati yung mga nauna pa dati when you guys were here, when you mentioned yung mga advocacies ninyo. Yes, Ma'am Army would like to add something. Sige, go ahead. Miss Army Llamas of the SBMA PRD.
So of course, good morning, DJ Tommy, and
good
to my
morning,
friend here, dear Victor, who's always been our partner in almost all our community projects. Idadagdag ko lang na this is also part of the anniversary activities of the SBMA, since we will be celebrating our 21st anniversary come November 24.
Alright, lapit na.
So, syempre, parang tuloy-tuloy yung mga activities natin. We also have activities for other stakeholder groups.
Yep.
So, ito napakalaking program nito in partnership with RP Energy and Blacksmith Institute. Ayan.
Alam mo naman ang radio station when it comes to, protecting and helping preserve the environment, not just the radio station, the entire SBMA itself, di ba? Napaka-supportive when it comes to things like this. So, thank you RP Energy for doing things like this.
Thank you, RP Energy.
And congratulations in advance sa pagkaka-nominate nila.
Hopefully,
and
mabag ng RP.
They also won the Anvil Award last year. For a program that they entered. Ano nga ba yung program?
Yung Katuwang Mo Sa Buhay. It's one of the best CSR practice.
Anvil Award. Alright.
And the Quill, Philippine Quill. So, hopefully nga, yung Protect the Bay will empower our fisher folks and address the issues na problema ng SBMA, ng Subic Bay, actually. So, I would like to thank then, of course, PRD, kasi kasama namin sila magplan with the MFarmCs. So, hopefully, masustain namin to and this will become an annual event for PRD and RP Energy.
All right. Okay, that is nice. Okay, so...
another thing, gusto ko lang idagdag kasi na during this time na medyo nagkakaproblema tayo, especially with the equipment, RP Energy will be donating equipment to our Coast Guard, our law enforcement, yung ating nagbabantay sa dagat, para makahabol tayo ng violators talaga. Kasi yun ang pinaka-main problem natin. Yun ang main meat ng problem natin na pag may nag-violate na nasa gitna ng dagat, hindi natin mahabol dahil wala tayong gamit. So, at this point in time, magdo-donate nga ang RP Energy ng equipment para talagang ma-enforce natin ang mga policies, ang laws natin sa sea.
Wow. And kailan lang nag-donate din sila ng vehicles to
They have been donating
SBMA
and donating actually.
We see kasi the peace and order as an essential part on industrial areas.
That is one of the key elements of progress, peace and order. Ayan. So, sana po huwag kayo magsawa in
hindi sila nagsasawa. They were also our major partners during the relief operations. Sa lahat po ng delubyo or typhoons na dumadating dito na naapektuhan ng stakeholders natin, nangunguna talaga sila, na makatulong sa ating mga kapwa na naapektuhan.
Yeah, nakikita ko nga po yung mga pinopost yung yung support nila. Whenever may call ang SBMA PRD for support, 'di ba, sa mga communities and all that. Ayan. Wow.
And just to add pala, DJ Tommy, yung for Tacloban, we also raised funds for the Typhoon Yolanda victims. So RP Energy has raised around 100,000 from the employees, from the employees alone, to support the initiatives of Juan Meralco Foundation in restoring Visayas because of Typhoon Yolanda.
Wow. You guys are generous. Even the employees, di ba, nag-contribute for that. Wow. Thank you for doing so. Maraming salamat. Anything else you would like to add before we go to the next requested song?
Okay. So, last lang, sana yung call namin, sana ito yung maging simula for a change. Hopefully yung mga residents natin, the locators, will join us eventually on our campaign in preserving Subic Bay. So it's not just a mere cleanup. It's not. We should not stop there. We should sustain Subic Bay. Kasi siya yung source ng livelihood ng mga tao around Subic Bay, especially the fisher folk. So hopefully everyone will support RP Energy on these initiatives.
Exactly, mismo. Diba? Tayo rin naman ang makikinabang and the future generation, of course. Ayan. All right. Okay. What about the beautiful ladies of the SBMA PRD? Any final notes from you, Miss Army and Miss Tintin?
Hindi ako pwedeng lumabas dito na hindi ko binabati ang PRD. Baka hindi ako papasukin sa opisina. To my PRD angels. Ayan.
Angels.
Good morning. Yes, mga angels ko talaga sila.
Sige po.
I love you guys. Go tayo. Ayan. And thank you, DJ Tommy. Happy birthday to Kim Kimberly. Happy birthday. I love you, Kimberly. Diyan tayo magla-lunch sa office. Ayun. Thank you, DJ Tommy. Thank you, Mama Ron, for allowing us to come here, to create awareness do sa mga tao of this upcoming project. And of course, good morning to Victor. Thank you, guys. Thank you to all the listeners. Good morning.
Pleasure is ours, of course. Anytime. All right. Okay. So we will now play the next requested song. This one's requested via the text hotline. Music coming from Lobo. All right. This one's called How Can I Tell Her? Requested via the text hotline 895 My Subic Bay Radio.
She knows when I'm lonesome, and she cries when I'm sad. She's up in the good times, she's down in the bad. Whenever I'm discouraged, she knows just what to do. But girl, she doesn't know about